Hello. I'm reminded today of a story that you may remember that occurred, maybe 15 years ago, in which a man entered into a school for Amish children and murdered several of the children. And as it turns out, the Amish people actually invited the killer to attend the funeral of these children. To me, that was one of the most profound examples of enemy love that I have ever heard of in my entire life. That these families who had lost their children invited the man who took the lives of those children to pray with them. I'm reminded as well of the story in Luke of Jesus on the cross, in which he says to God in prayer, "Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do." And so in today's gospel, we read that Jesus says to his disciples, "Love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who mistreat you. To the person who strikes you on one cheek, offer the other one as well. And from the person who takes your cloak, do not withhold even your tunic. Give to everyone who asks of you, and from the one who takes what is yours, do not demand it back. Do to others as you would have them do to you." This to me is one of the great challenges of the Christian message and the Christian faith. I know I personally find it hard enough to love the people who love me at times. I'm not always the person I want to be. And so today we're faced with the challenge of loving those who do not love us back, and in fact, even loving those who are our enemies. I ask you, as I will do, to reflect on this gospel reading today and do what we can to love the neighbor, whomever the neighbor might be. Thank you for watching today.